PregCheck is a simple way to keep your breeding records more organized. PregCheck was created for cows but is compatible with other livestock. There are 4 different options of PregCheck record keeping you can use when you create a new list. These are open pregnant, cycles, days, and months. You can also enter notes on animals as well as the number of babies if you are PregChecking an animal other than a cow. Once a list is created, you can sort your animals by when they are pregnant by clicking on the list and pressing the sort option. This is an example of cycles. It shows you how many are bred to which cycles, so you know when each cow is going to calve when. You can also sort by color if you're using more than one tag color. Any list made can be exported to an email at any time.